Well, the first time I saw Chloe Collins play volleyball for Texas was a few matches into her freshman year. And Chloe Collins is in Austin, and she'll remember this. It was against Penn State. And she went in the match, and I said, my gosh, she's awful small. And then all of a sudden I said, my gosh, she's awful quick. And then she stuff blocked somebody, and I said, wow, at 5'7", she jumps really high. And Chloe Collins, you really do have all those attributes. It must be so cool for you to get a block.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Just knowing that I am a smaller player on the court and having to play bigger than what I am, just when you do get those stuff blocks, it's really kind of fulfilling that I can take away some space at the net and be somewhat of a threat.
Yeah, we're not going to spend the whole time talking about you like being short and quick and jumping high, but you do have, I mean, this season, 45 block assists. You're third on the team with 5 solos. In volleyball, there's not a whole lot of trash talking, but there's got to be something that comes out when you stuff somebody.
I mean, maybe sometimes, yeah, you're like, what? Like you just get crunk and get loud, and it's just really exciting to just celebrate that little moment with my teammates. Because obviously, with me, it doesn't happen quite often, but it happens enough.
Yeah, well, there's the first time we got crunk on destinationvolleyball.com. I like that. All right, so you guys are 27-2, and you're 18-1 at home, and of course, you play UCLA at home. There's Gregory Gym is a very special place for college volleyball, and your thoughts about going into UCLA. You got to be pretty fired up to be at this point.
Oh, most definitely. We know UCLA coming from the Pac-12, they're an awesome, excellent team. We know they're very good defensively. Like they just don't let any balls drop to the ground, and we know we're going to have to come out just fighting every single point. Obviously, everyone knows that coming into the tournament, but every match is going to be a battle, and UCLA is definitely going to put quite quite a what is the word I'm looking for? Just quite a challenge for us to just
Yeah.
terminate the ball.
Oh no,
Yeah.
it should be a great match. So you guys, when you lost to TCU, which I watched that match and I remember thinking the whole time, this can't be happening because it was kind of strange. But in many ways, was that a wake up call or a good thing for you guys because you've won 9 in a row since, and you're playing super volleyball.
No, most definitely. It was definitely a learning experience for the entire team and our staff. Just knowing, I guess, in a way, it humbled us, knowing that we know we're not all of that, and that we have so much room for growth, and that we need to be able to compete day in and day out, no matter who's across the net. So it was definitely something that we took away from the loss against TCU. So.
Yeah, this season obviously was as a setter, things had to be so much different for you, especially early on. Last year you could set a ball just somewhere in the same area code, and you knew Haley Eckerman or Kat Bell might get it. And
Right.
yet, Amy Neal and Molly McCage and Chiaka Agabu have done so great. Can you just talk a little bit about the transition and how you've progressed in that regard?
I think what makes this team so special is that we don't have that one player that you just know. Like there's in the years past, there's been the Bailey Webster and the Haley Eckermans and the Cat Bells that you just know they're just huge threats, like you said. And then just having somewhat of a balance this year makes it a lot more fun for me to be able to spread the offense and just play with it and have fun. Just knowing that I can trust Amy to go up and tool the line, or Molly to go up on her slide and hit the line or cross court, and then to trust Chi to be Chi and just have fun with it. So I think that's what makes this team, like my hitters, so special.
And I think you might answer the next question for me, which is what I try to ask everybody is, in your case, I would say Texas will win the national championship because, and then fill in the blank. But I think all the things that you said, and then if I can offer, you're pretty good defensively, and as a setter, you have a lot of digs, and you get that part of the game as a team. Don't you agree?
Most definitely. I think defensively this year we've progressed so much. Just every day in practice, like we are making some scrappy plays that, like in years past, would be like balls dropped, I guess you can say. Just having that relentless attitude towards not letting the ball drop the floor has been really huge for us. And I think that if we just keep that going throughout the entire tournament, that good things will happen for us.
Well, I think Friday in the Gregory Center is going to be 2 awesome volleyball matches. I mean, Florida, Wisconsin's pretty special. Texas, UCLA is pretty special. And you should have a lot of fun and really enjoy it.
Thank you so much. It's going to be really exciting.